Selling Skills Week 4 Part 5. 4. Discuss with your new associate the art of effective presentation in the selling process. The proper presentation of jewelry items requires patience, after adequate profiling, and good judgment, care not to overwhelm. Explain why each item should be handled respectfully and should be cleaned with a soft cloth before and after presentation. Explain how to carefully observe the tag while cleaning the item and how that will enable the sales associate to recall information without having to take jewelry back from a customer. Explain that good presentation includes the appropriate use of a counter pad, cleaning cloth and other tools such as loop, tweezers and sometimes a gem scope. Explain why and how the customer should be encouraged to hold the jewelry and to try on the item. Explain why it might be effective for the salesperson or another associate to model the item for the customer. Explain the difference between features and benefits. Explain why the features of the jewelry mentioned during the presentation should be those that appeal to the customer's reason for buying as identified in the profiling/probing process. Explain why and how the mention of a feature should be followed by its benefit, with emphasis on the emotion behind the purchaser's objectives. Suggest some of the many descriptive words that can be used during the presentation that will appeal to different customers' objectives. Why customers interested in the romantic aspects will like to hear words like breathtaking, or enchanting. Those interested in the fashion aspects will respond to words like sophisticated and chic, and someone interested in the informational aspects will gain confidence from words like state-of-the-art and reliable. Explain your company's security policies for the presentation of jewelry and why strict adherence to company security policies must be observed. Instruct your new associate to reread the employee manual regarding merchandise presentation security. Explain why jewelry showcases should be locked and access restricted. Explain where keys are kept and why proper key handling procedures are critical. Explain why the number of pieces removed from the case at one time must be strictly observed. Explain why merchandise should never be left unattended with a customer. Explain the appropriate timing to call a husband. Explain the precautions and the procedures for taking jewelry to an office to show to a spouse.